Hello, good evening, guys. I am Shivam Agrawal, Joint Secretary of Environment Society of CVS Green Brigade. I welcome you all to the second live session under our project EcoWave Known the Unknown. EcoWave is one of the initiatives taken by our society, Green Brigade, to promote eco journalism. As we see nowadays that news and media channels are promoting their own propaganda and no one is caring about our mother earth. So this society, Green Brigade, has brought some hidden issues related to environment. So that's why we keep this eco life so that people should get aware. So our project Eco Live has three components. First, Eco Post, which is posted every first and third Sunday, and Eco Live, which is every second and fourth Sunday, and third, Eco Letter at the end of every month. So guys, do join and get connected with us. So today with me, my friend Vaibhav will join this Eco Live session. So I will request Vaibhav to join this Eco Live.
So first of all, I want to ask Vaibhav, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am also fine. I'm very fine. I came across a new word called like environmental health. So you can tell me like why environmental health is important and when it is celebrated, so that I can also know and people who are joining they should also know. So please,
Yeah, so
Vaibhav, if you can tell.
topic is really very important topic. Maintaining a healthy environment is central and to increasing quality of life and years of healthy life. Globally, 26% of death and 23% of all deaths among children are due to preventable environmental factors. So they plays a significant role in educating the public about methods of reducing the environmental health issues and take precautions in order to avoid diseases.
So, Vaibhav, you explained it very well. So, I want to ask that you know that every year is there a theme for environmental health day. So, do you know the theme for this year?
Yes, I know the theme for this year: climatic change challenges and time for global action, environmental hack to act in unison. In order to tackle climate change is the theme for this year.
Okay, so you answered the an- uh, answer very well, and I got to know about the environmental health.
So Shivam,
So,
now I want to ask some questions from you. What are the major
yes,
environmental
yes,
risks
sure,
to
sure.
what are the
Yes,
major environmental risks to health?
yes, yes. You know that there are many environmental risks, but the major environmental risk is air pollution. As you know that there are many types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. But air pollution is one of the major risks to the environment and to us. And you know that millions of people die due to air pollution. So we have to take initiative and we have to reduce this air pollution so that global burden disease should be reduced, the respiratory infection should be reduced, and there should be less amount of lung cancer and disease infection, so that this earth should be a better place. I think I
That's
answered it well, Vaibhav.
that's great answer. Shivam, that's great answer.
Thank you,
So
thank
now
you.
why we need to be aware about all this environmental health.
Where you know what, oh, we are the only humans who are creating this problem. So we are the destroyer of the environment. Our human activity is only leading to the environmental degradation. And you know that due to this, there is increase in greenhouse gases. So to reduce this, every citizen, we, you, and we should take responsibility to make our environment clean, and we should be a green warrior. I think you will be agree with me that we should be a green warrior
Yes,
and
I
we
am
should
also
keep
a
our
green warrior,
environment clean.
and
Oh wow, that's
I
great.
have
And I
also
think the people who are joining, they are also a green warrior.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So now I think like it's time to start. Like today will be a great interactive session. So I think like Vaibhav, now we should start today eco news. So you want to tell the first news?
Yes, I want to tell about the first news. It's about Botswana. So there is a mysterious elephant death caused by cyanobacteria. Earlier, it was thought that the poaching was the reason for death of elephants, but now it is clear that the reason for deaths of elephant is due to cyanobacteria. Officials say a total of 330 elephants are now known to have died from ingesting cyanobacteria, and poaching has been ruled out as the cause of death. Some scientists believe that climate change may be making these incidents, known as toxic plumes, more likely because they favor warm water. So, now what is cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria are toxic bacteria which can occur naturally in standing water and sometimes grow into large blooms known as blue-green algae. So there are still many questions that are underlining here, that why only elephants are cause of death, and why this area only, why elephants died in these areas. So these are the two important questions that are still unsolved. Thank you. This is the
Vaibhav, it was a very great. So now, like I want to tell about McDonald's. Like everyone know, you also know that, and everyone know that what McDonald's is such a big company. And like I want to tell the headline, like McDonald's goes green with pledge to remove plastic toy from Happy Meals. You know that like when children go to McDonald's, they want Happy Meals. So they want Happy Meal because there is plastic toys in that. But to make this environment better, McDonald's has taken a great pledge to replace like plastic toy with a book or a soft toy. So this initiative is applauded by many environmentalist groups, and I want you to know that like McDonald's is also collecting unwanted toys from people and getting it make into a good use, and it is going for charity in UK and Ireland. And you know that there are many competitors of McDonald's like Burger King and many others. So they are
yeah.
also following this step, which is very good. And yeah, I experienced this in McDonald's when I went in one of the branch in Delhi. So I saw that instead of first day 2 3 years back they give plastic straw, but now they are not using plastic straw. So it is a good move by the McDonald's. And first of all, I told that they are replacing it with a soft toy or a book. So you know that how book is very important to children. Like they will take Happy Meal for a book, so it will be very good. You know that soft toys are like short term happiness for the
Yeah, yeah.
students, like for children. You agree with me, Vaibhav? Like it is a short term happiness, but book is the long term joy for them, and they will learn knowledge and they will get a lot of vocabulary. So I think this move is very good by McDonald's. So this
So
was my second news.
that's a really very great step by McDonald's.
Yes, yes, it was a very
Okay.
great news.
So now I come to third news. So let's talk about third news. So
Yes, yes, yes,
NYC
sure.
NYC clock. So NYC clock is now counting down to Earth's climate change deadline. So what is NYC clock? It's a multi-numeral digital clock embedded on the side of skyscraper. It's now counting years, days, hours, minutes, and seconds that the world has to limit carbon emissions before we reach a critical typical point. So it's so it basically what it is estimating how much we should reduce carbon emissions nowadays. So because it's largely understood that 1.5 degree of global warming from current global averages will have
Yes,
devastating
yes.
effects in terms of sea level rise. These are all the effects that carbon emissions would have on the environment: sea level rise, storms, drought, and many more. So based on the amount of carbon used every day, 1.5 degree of warming will occur in about 7.5 years. So in 7.5 years, 1.5 degree of global warming will take place, and this will have a devastating effect on the environment and it will affect the sea level, storm, drought, and many more. So according to the Unison Square Climate Clock now puts a countdown to that their deadline in order of New York most public places.
Yes, Vaibhav, I also came across this news Like it was a bit devastating for me also. Like now it is counting and YC clock is counting the like how the climatic condition is degrading. You told it right. So like I want to share you the last news of today, eco news. That is, you know about the it's a state called Tasmania in Australia. So there are many Australian whales which are beaching on the beach. So rescuers saved 108 out of the 470 whales in remote sandbank in Semenia's harbor. That prompted a 5-day rescue. That like there was a rescue team, like there was 12 people of this rescue team who risked their life and went in cold water to save the animals which are dying, uh, which is very alarming, and they are dying because of us. So we as a human should like keep in mind that we should keep our environment clean, and if we will keep our environment clean, then automatically animals will also be good. So I have a data like Semenia. There is a state in Semenia. Semenia previous biggest stranding was in 1935 with 294 pilot whales. Its last mass standing. Standing means like uh, whales were on the beach and they were dying. Like it was 294 whales. You can understand that how devastating it was. And last it was in 2009, which involved 200 pilot whales. You can understand the how many whales are dying. So now it's
Yeah.
the high time. Yes, you know, Vaibhav. So now it's high time that we should respect our nature and our animals, our ecosystem, as we are also a part of ecosystem. We have to face this. We are not. We are facing now, and we will face it more in the future. So we should now be aware, so
Our
that it
first,
should not be increased.
our first step could be a big initiative nowadays. So we should take first step initiative so that we can protect our environment, so that no harm can be done to these animals, and they can live as per the
A healthy
conditions.
life. Yes, yes.
So
You were you also told like today news was very good. Like we will come up with the uh, with all other news in the again live session. So I think that it is Vaibhav, I think it is the end of today eco news.
yes, today's news is over.
So I want you to ask. I want to give surprise to my audience. Like we want to give surprise to the audience. So, Vaibhav, do you know about the Wildlife Week, which is coming in first week of October? So, can you tell me anything about the
Yes, sure.
Wildlife Week? Like you can explain me what is Wildlife Week, and then you can tell that what surprise Green Brigade is giving to audience
Yeah,
in this
so
Wildlife Week.
I'm really very excited to tell you about the Wildlife Week that Green Brigade is celebrating on from 2 to 6 October. So the main motto behind this celebration is to preserve the wildlife in India. And the next most important reason is to make common people aware about it. So in this, we will have various fun competitions and various games. So it will be a very good. It will be a very good and there. So don't forget to
Yes,
register on.
Vaibhav, there will also be a film screening and webinar. There will also be a film screening and webinar, which is the prize to the
Yeah.
audience here. So,
So there
like,
will be really very exciting prizes for winners. So don't so stay connected because from 2 to 6 October we will be going to have a wildlife week where we will be awareing you about the how it is important to conserve wildlife species and the
yeah, Vaibhav, it was a great surprise for audience, and like we both and our society is also waiting to conduct this wildlife week. So I think that all people who have joined us, like who will be joining us further in another live session other month. So I think that everyone is excited. So I thank everyone who has joined.